Hey guys, I'm John Newman and this is how I perform live. Hey guys, I'm John Newman and I'm here at Tomorrowland Winter's main stage where I'm performing tonight, which is very exciting. I've been working so hard towards the set in particular, but also for the past 2 years I've been completely rebuilding myself and completely working towards a whole different vibe in my career. It's kind of a John Newman version 2. And I thought this would be an amazing opportunity because I've just been sound checking to go through my whole new setup, show you guys what I do live and break it down for you. So I've only just changed my whole setup. Before I had a smaller mixer. In fact, I had 2 mixers. One of them was mainly for my microphones to start doing all the samples and effects through. But yeah, I've compressed it all now into this, which is like the heart of it. It's the V10 mixer by Pioneer. I've used it in a totally different way to what I've seen before, for the reason being that we do really stupid things. Coming from being a live artist and singing on the gig is something that brings up issues that DJs don't often face. One of them being that I need a metronome, a click in my ears. What we decided to do is to, on the emergency mixer, so I'm mainly mixing on these 2 CDJ 3000s, and on the emergency backup mixer, which runs through 2 separate channels, I just run literally a 4-bar loop of click, which I then just cue in my ears. Then I've got an RMX, this is just an effects unit, which you see a lot of DJs using. They're pretty cool, you can do some really cool things on, which I'll do in a minute. And yeah, then this is the most exciting thing for me about my set. You probably see it a lot. I think David Guetta was using it on the internet recently. It's DJS 1000 by Pioneer again. Everything I use is Pioneer for the benefit that I can link everything. I used to run MIDI out of everything, using it off the link, which is an amazing thing. When I say link, everything's tempo mapped, running together. Makes it a lot easier, sends all the data to each other. This is something that I've just learned more and more about and gone in deeper and deeper and deeper. And now I'll pretty much play all my tracks in some format in there, whether it's small samples, bits of beats. But the most exciting thing is I actually run my microphone through it. And this has got live sampling mode, so I can build up vocals and things like that. And I'll show you that more in a minute. But first, I thought it'd be quite cool just to kind of start with the mixer and talk through that, and then we'll head on to the other things. So on my mixer, I run 2 CDJs, left and right. I also run this, which we said was the emergency CDJ. But also, because a lot of DJs don't have this issue, it's because I sing live, and I've come from a live world that I need to run a metronome. So what I've actually got is a 4-bar loop of a metronome, which I can just run on sync with the tracks that I'm playing, which I only monitor in V10 here. Makes it a lot easier, especially in like quiet moments when I need to sing and things like that. Especially in big boomy rooms, it's quite hard to follow the tempo to sing to. But I just want it to be, you know, perfecto. Here we have the RMX, which is, yeah, pretty simple. You can do some pretty cool stuff on it. The benefit of this mixer now is that you can run the RMX through different channel selects and things like that. It just kind of opens up the option. I was using a Nexus 900 before, so this has given me so much more to work with, really. But I mean, any DJ is going to watch this, and you can just do cool things like you can use snares and do build-ups with pitches and things like that. And give you a bit more boost. That's pretty cool. And you can just do like simple things like cool chops and things. It's pretty cool. Actually, my favorite feature is this one. I don't know why I like that, it's just cool. So then, yeah, these 2 are just CDJs. Like I said, that one's running click. The most exciting thing about my setup for me is actually totally over on this side. which is my sampler. I've looked so deeply into it, and I'm fully kind of doing loads of crazy things on it now and fully programming it to what I want. That's one of the amazing things about this sampler, and also with Pioneer in general, is that I can give feedback and things, and they can give me such great advice on how to get deeper and deeper into it to kind of really work for me. The coolest things are, I've set it up so that there's certain channels doing certain things. So for example, these ones are, I don't know what song I'm in, but Waiting for a Lifetime. So I can play these. The thing is about this one, you can turn it into scale. And you can use slice. So that basically just chops it up. On that one, it's not very good. Oh, that was cool. And then that one's just mute. You can build loops as well, so you just hit record and then you can do that. And then you got a loop going. But the best thing is that I can then start adding my vocal to it. So I go into sampling mode, change the record length to 1, and I should actually probably get a cool build for this as well. Yeah, that one will work. So then what you'd want to do if you're going to do this, so then I can do, for example, I'd be singing a note or something, and I'd be like, I've been waiting for a lifetime for you. And then I get that coming through on the sampler, and I've linked it so that there's a ducker effect running to a silent kick. So it's now ducking like that, so it automatically does that. I've set that up. The really cool thing is that I can then start editing that sample in particular. So then I'll start chopping up the sample that I've just recorded live, and then again, put it on hold, press it down, and then you can start doing this. You can start using the pitch. And then start adding more. And then go to the beat effects. Start adding more to that. How I've wired it as well is so that the microphone never gets affected by the effects. So I can be like this. How's it going? And then stop that. And you can do some cool stuff like that. But I think that's the coolest thing, that being able to live sample is just like the best thing, and being able to use my vocals on it as well just makes things a little bit more exciting when I'm live. So, can you hear me? No, that didn't work. Tester, which is the cool thing that it's there. And then there's adding the, so it's basically side chaining it as soon as I hit play. So yeah, that's my sampler, and it gets so much deeper and there's so much more to it. Yeah, it gets really exciting, and it allows me to do loads of crazy weird things on stage. And yeah, hopefully you'll get to come and watch one of my shows soon. You'll be able to see me do this fully live in my element and loving every second of it. It's really exciting, and I'm really, really excited to go and play tonight here at Tomorrowland Winter Main Stage. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon, guys. Take care. Bye.